Hey guys, it's Damien here, and I want to make an announcement that all the STL files that I created to design and replicate this Goosky S2 are completely for free, and the link is down in the description below. So if you want to be able to print your own Goosky S2 at home, the files are available. The reason that this looks the way it does is because this is how it's going to end up looking like when it's completely 3D printed. Of course, the landing skids are going to need to be heated up to be able to bend to the shape of the one that I have behind me. I will eventually be able to create a quick build video for you guys so that you see how this is put together. I'm currently using self-tapping screws so that way it holds up better. Of course, the files that you will be able to download and print for yourself have tighter hole tolerances, so they will definitely work for both the machine screws that come with the aircraft as well as small self-tapping screws, which I will give you the specs to the ones I'm currently using for this aircraft on a future video. I do recommend you print this in PETG, but if you cannot, you definitely are able to print this in PLA, but be careful of leaving your Goosky in a hot, humid day because the plastic will definitely bend and deform on you. So that's why I would recommend PETG, but PLA is also fine. So I'm clearly really boring and I printed this whole thing in gray, but the one request I do have is if you guys can just tag me in the 3D prints that you guys do for your Goosky S2, that would be fantastic. I'd love to see the different colors and designs that you guys are going to have on your own Goosky. That would be awesome to see. And I'm extremely excited to see how many 3D printed Goosky S2s will be out there in the community. So have a blast, have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.